This song is the music theory song called Mnemonic music. I've used part of the music from The Sound of Music's Do a Deer. I've changed the chord progression from using a C, a D minor, an E minor, an F, and a G. In the original, they use a D major and an E major. But for purposes of this music theory song, well, it makes more sense this way. Here's all the mnemonic devices and the chords that go along with them for the song. I'll keep my other fingers out of the way so that you can see the chords clearly. Here we go. Every good boy deserves fudge. F-A-C-E. Grizzly bears don't fly airplanes. All cows eat grass. C-E-G-B-D-F-A-C, E-G-B-D-F-A, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Fat cats go down alleys eating birds. B-E-A-D-G-C-F. Now, of course, when you play it, you can play it however you'd like to, and change it as you go. Every good boy deserves fudge. F-A-C-E. Grizzly bears don't fly airplanes. All cows eat grass. C-E-G-B-D-F-A-C, E-G-B-D-F-A, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Fat cats go down alleys eating birds. B-E-A-D-G-C-F. Yeah. Now let's look at all those parts individually. The lines of the treble clef. Every good boy deserves fudge. And the spaces. F-A-C-E. Lines of the bass clef. Grizzly bears don't fly airplanes, and the spaces. All cows eat grass. C-E-G-B. Oh, the triads. C-E-G-B-D-F-A-C. E-G. The mnemonic. The sound of the chord. The major. I want to play major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. It looks like this: major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. The tonal quality of the chords: major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, and then of course the repeats. Let's see, major, minor, minor, major, 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 minor, diminished. Order of sharps. Fat cats go down alleys eating birds. I'm totally lost in the song. B-A-D-G-C-F. What's the chord? Good job, everybody.